make my shed like a fucking gaming area for videoing.
Like, if I make enough money, I'm lucky gonna buy a nice looking house.
I would love to if I ever make the money. That thing out there just temporary.
Yeah, who knows, once you, make the money
When
or
I
something, you
and
become a
when
guy that can use that as a storage set.
all thinking Jordan, all
Possibly
you
hero.
want it. Yeah,
Your
mine.
thing. I'm gonna try to search this place before we move on. I don't see any notes yet on it.
We really need to get the jump to bones. Oh, I already got Matt.
Swimsuit right here, dude. I think we literally passed it last fucking playthrough.
We did. I was in my freaking inventory. I don't have a light. I was trying to grab a light,
Grab your life.
and then I get attacked.
Gotta pop
This is
some
not
meds
fair.
now.
Hi, Ginger. Please don't climb on me. I'm trying to play a game. You can lay right there, yeah. Oh, fuck.
Ready to go to hell?
I was looking at the cat. I wasn't even paying attention. Ginger just laying next to me for the first time ever.
More batteries in there. Any notes? Don't see one. Alright, so when we come back this way, remember this is gonna be something we can blow up.
I thought we couldn't. Oh, yeah, we could.
Pop the ones on the ground, what are you doing?
Oh, shit, you still alive.
Yeah, he was. I didn't even know that. I'm shocked we really haven't even died yet. I wonder if that's the achievement. Beat the game. Yo, we might just want to equip creepy armor this one. If you remember, there's like 3 different fucking mutants. Yeah, I already see one. I see 2. And one's on the ceiling. No, there's actually 4.
I put all 8.
Yeah, I'm doing that right now. Alright, you ready?
Yep. You enjoy hard to walk around your ass. No.
Just let them sit there, like with their knees fucking broken. Have to put some Molotov. mouse. I would move.
I'm being hit.
Yeah, I'd move. I'll focus on one of the, this one arm, the zero.
Come on, light go away.
Holy smokes. That took a lot of bullets, huh?
They did.
Right here.
It's a hell of fucking armor. I mean, not armor, I'm beating bullets.
Right here. I'm gonna actually equip that one. Let's get full armor.
You have the
Damage
video
they
camera.
damage you like crazy. Where's the video camera? I don't see a camera.
On the person.
Oh, I might have already picked it up. Yeah, I might have already picked it up. Where you going?
Am I going back?
Yes, you're going back that way.
Oh.
Might go get me a cup of water. Once we get out
Yeah,
this
I have
cave.
a cat making it a little hard for me to move my arm. But I love you, Ginger.
Alrighty, time to swim again. I should have put the swimsuit on, actually.
Should have.
I'll do that when it's kind of there gonna be fucking cannibals right up here.
And a pop. That wasn't very nice.
Where'd he go?
Now there's the one behind me.
Ow!
I mean, you all reload and like hit blackness. I didn't even know you were there.
Where'd my light come unequipped?
I don't know, mine did that too. Maybe.
It's weird. have the shovel. I think we're actually remembering where shit is now.
Yeah,
Hold
basically.
on. There's a path somewhere in here to go to a secret room to grab some shit. I think it's over here. I swear last time there was cannibals in here. You dead? Too low. Find it. They
Reloading
smacked
mag.
each other. What's wrong? You on your knees? Are there anything in here? Or do we just like... We low-key might have to make a pit stop at that beach. I try to make the video as short as possible. Wait for me. Your guy can't run a marathon no more or something? Damn body parts, I can't get through. It's so odd, bro.
Couldn't get to. Babies.
We're out.
Well, that really there's another way out.
Yeah.
Huh.
I got some good remembering now after we kind of freshly played.
You'll get you some water.
Do we go to the blue symbol or the M? Or do we backtrack all the way that way to get to that cave? Or do we go to the blue symbol and then go to the cave?
We can do that.
Because the last time we just went to the caves first and then did all that.
I haven't either.
The launch thing in there for the glider and down that hallway.
Are we?
No.
Oh.
Yeah. Sorry to break it to you. It's just another cave, dude. You know, like our fucking favorite thing in the fucking game, dude. A cave. Cause we just like love caves. You know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. But like if you don't know, I guess you just don't know.
You don't know?
I mean, I kind of don't know, but it's just part of the facts, you know. Do you know? Do you know the way?
Alright, make me a water jug.
Dude, we don't even use
Yeah, do that.
Do we really need to waste our fucking printer fluid?
Do we ever use a printer fluid?
No. How much I got? Yo, throw some of yours in there real quick, dude. I just want to do some. Yeah, appreciate that. Just gotta.
Should I save?
I mean, you good, yeah.
Okay. I'm full on batteries. There with the book.
That's a small ass sled. What do you think?
Oh, I want a sled. Make me one.
It's 1,000. We need 500 more.
It's not fair.
Wait, why are we even going this way? We don't got the key card. I'm
Give me
blinded.
my fluid back, you monster.
Nah, bro, this is my shit now. Alright, bro, you can turn back around right now. Down this way. We can't go that way until we get the key card. So, like, what's up? No answer.
No
That's
answer.
what's up. Is that what's up with it?
Yep.
Yeah. You're delusional.
Illicit.
You're a
Illicit
bitch,
demon.
though.
Bitch, love the damn. Always say. Hello?
Oh. There. Maintenance
I did all the
A. Yeah, right, buddy.
work.
You did all the work, huh? I'm about to come in that living room and beat your fucking ass. What about that?
You wish you could.
Buddy, I could.
Pull the damn thing up. Come on, weak ass Paulson.
Well, I'm fucking weak, man.
I fucking see that.
Talk to my carrier about that shit, bro. Tell him to get bigger muscles. I only got level 1 muscles, bro. Ow. Fuck was that for?
Malibu.
Oh my lord. So like, duct tape? You like duct tape, bro? Give me that key card. Give me that key card. Why can't I jump? I'm stuck. Give me that key card.
Get out my damn way.
You shut the fuck up. I don't respect you, bro. Fucking,
I don't respect you.
I don't respect you either, dude. Like, honestly, dude. Yo, dude, there's a tuxedo up in here, bit. Put that bit on. Look clean now. Yo, bro, do I look fresh?
You got clip on all of you.
Yeah, you're right. My fault. Do I still look drippy, though? Put your ass down, boy. Alright, Brody.
The fire axe.
Wait, I forgot to grab that. Forgot there was even a fire axe in this one. Guess while I'm at it, I'm gonna grab my cup and give me some cup of water.
Where's that little moth at?
What?
The one at meowing.
Sounds like ginger. Yeah, I can't give you a boost because you're driving.
Papa here.
Cool, bro.
Hey, don't pull my mics off.
You about whacked into a tree there, pal.
Well, don't pull my mics off, man.
Get out my room. I'm gonna let out, game.
What you doing, Papa? What you doing?
What do you want? Playing a game.
I'm off.
Alright. I'm you now.
You can't blame me.
Oh, hey.
Hell no. Oh, hi.
Okay, my bullets are going through him.
Ain't got any. I ain't got any. Because. What? I don't know. Yeah, trying to. bed. I'm a little late on you. What time you going? Ollie, that don't tell me anything. That don't tell me anything. How you doing over there?
And I was muted this whole time. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, I was muted because Bella
Oh,
was in here.
yeah, I have my mic muted.
I was just doing some commentary this whole damn time, bro. Whole time I was fucking muted.
Radio 1 on lava and Taunton. Shoot.
Anyway, it's time to get the fuck out of this cave. What do you say, man?
Yeah. It's only 5 and it already dark outside.
Yeah. Crazy.
Dang.
I think we got a new cart, bro.
Whole freaks out when not being held down. Oh boy. I need to see if you're out of on me now
And where?
to go pull the money out.
For what?
What?
For what?
To pay him. Why my phone torn off on me?
Don't know. Alrighty.
So,
So are we gonna get off now or something?
yeah. I
Alright.
need a save. Okay.
Save point right over here. edit this for
I
you
have
just to just
I
be like a
have the
little
whole
part.
McDonald's.
Alright, well,
I don't care. I have the whole McDonald's.
I'm gonna go ahead and leave.
I'm trying to find the tent.
It's right next to the car. Ugh.
Shoot.
Alrighty.